Hi friends, in this question, a raised to the power 5 minus a is equal to 1020. Let's take a common. A raised to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 1020. A raised to the power 4 can be written as a square whole square and 1 can be written as 1 square. When you come across something as a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Use this to solve it. So a square minus 1, a square plus 1 is equal to 1020. Again, this is a square minus, write this as 1 square. This will be a minus 1, a plus 1, a square plus 1 is equal to, if you prime factorize this number, this is 2 square into 3 into 5 into 17. If we compare left hand side and right hand side, a can be equated as 4. Therefore, a minus 1 will be 3, a plus 1 will be 5, and a square plus 1 will come as 17. Therefore, your answer will be 4.